All the people who have doubt on Elliott wave, now magic is working. After making bottom at 1931, gold is flying and price has break out this Peller channel. On intraday, it is extremely overbought, but new trend just begin. So your last and most important resistance 2050 breakout on Friday. Clear breakout and closing about 2050 resistance level. Daily time frame has your last resistance 2080. Price is almost testing that level and this is your triple top. After successful breakout of inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, price is flying and it is going vertical. So if it comes down for any news, then trader will buy again, because after breakout you can see there is no retest of neckline. So still you have one more technical buying entry, and for next entry wait for clear breakout of this triple top, because compared to this chart pattern price can go much higher than 2080 level. And daily time frame RSI is again overbought, but important time frame is weekly chart. You can see weekly closing was at boundary of this resistance zone. So this week either breakout or counter trend correction, but FOMO buying sentiment are beyond plus infinity. No matter how low it goes down this month, this week, but people will only buy gold. Or if breakout come, then you can see on weekly time frame there is no resistance. There is no limit how high this will go. Either you do FOMO buying on 2070 before breakout or wait for correction. Except two red candlestick, you have multiple blue candlestick. To check limit of this FOMO buying, best thing you can do watching monthly time frame. If you measure size of this range, then after breakout $100 maybe $200 is not a breakout. So if goes $200 after breakout, then nobody will take profit. Or if come down $100 as a correction, then everyone will buy again. This is not 5-minute time frame, and $100 up and down is not a major change. And you can see 3 monthly candlestick are blue. Compared to September to December FOMC meeting, all the information is completely priced in. So in next FOMC meeting, either Fed give hawkish speech or profit taking. So November month blue candlestick and December month is ready for breakout. And all the people who are buying on monthly time frame, these are buyer who missed this first bullish trend in gold, and they are buying gold since 2011 all the time. So if triple top does not break this month, then these buyer in 10 years they will lost all hope and they will never buy gold again. And small breakout above all-time high 2075, more and more people will buy gold and their target is $3,000. Even at $2,200 they will not take profit, and they will wait for retest entry. On retest they will buy again, because these are investors who were buying all the time in bear market and they are buying in last 10 years. So nobody care if you buy gold at 5-minute time frame and your account is crashing, but all of these players are buying on monthly time frame, and sentiment right now are same to same as they were in July 2020 or maybe higher. So 5 minute time frame scalper will have big problem this month. But daily time frame, compare from this bottom to this Friday high 2070. If you compare everything below 1900, nobody knew when Fed was saying March rate cut. Now every news company, everybody is saying rate cut in March 2024. And even at 2070 last week high, March rate cut is not fully priced in. It is higher than 50%, not 100%. Another thing which is happening right now, which will kill all the scalper, not just March rate cut, but some speculators are expecting rate cut in January next year, and this will not happen. That percentage is still below 50%, but people are expecting not just March but January next year. But Fed last week have said crystal clear it is premature to speculate rate cut. He was hawkish, Fed Dali, who was super dovish right at the bottom. She was hawkish again last week right at the top. More price goes above 2070, more gold will turn into bubble. And if you want escaping black hole of poverty, then it is not about rate cut, it is about real yield. That real yield will decide rate cut is bullish or bearish for gold. Right now rate cut is bullish, it is flying, but that simple two-word sentence can change entire market. Compared to this 1931, when everyone was again bearish, right at the top everyone is bullish, and big bank like Goldman, they are already bullish and their target 2050 already achieved, and they are bullish for next year 2024. Another bank JP Morgan, they are also bullish. So you can say every person in this world is bullish on gold right now. And this triple top, breakout or not, that is one thing, but most important thing which you will remember your entire life, this triple top will teach you why social media is free, why news anchor have $1 million salary. Even if God come in front of those buyer, or if he say this triple top will work, they will not believe him. For me, any gold price above this triple top is overbought. Since there is no resistance, no limit how high it can go in case of breakout. When everyone say rate cut in March, this will not happen. And January rate cut speculation is your biggest mistake. Scalper, because of triple top, there is no resistance about 2050. If you do wave counting from this level, 5 wave are complete. If counter trend correction happen this week, 2030 first big support level. If this is ending diagonal or maybe extension in third wave at 3 level, in that condition you will see up and down movement about 2050 level. Same like Bitcoin right now. One more thing Fed said this week, data will decide next rate decision. And you have big news on Friday, NFP. If NFP come down, gold will fly more. If NFP come strong, then it can return back to 2030. Big news this week and big technical triple top setup.